General Flying Tiger. Japanese pilot. Taiwanese god.
Scene 2.
After a few years.
One night, a man was checking his fish farm.
It's cold. Thief! Stop running! Huh? Where is he? Is it a ghost? Oh my!
He ran all the way home.
What's the matter? I saw a ghost! Where? At my fish farm! I saw it too. It is not.
They went back to sleep.
Sabishi. Sabishi. Sabishi.
The next morning,
I had a bad dream. Really? A man was speaking Japanese to me. What did he say? Sabishi, Sabishi, Sabishi. I'm scared. Maybe it's an evil spirit. Let's go pray. Okay.
they went to Chaowon Temple.
Dear 保生大帝, who was in my dream? Please tell us. Who was it? A soldier. A soldier? Yes, a Japanese soldier. Now I remember. I remember too. Yes, 1944. The pilot turned away to save people and houses. Thank you, Sugiura. Our hero. What can we do now? Let's build him a shrine. That's a good idea. Great.